Sometimes the light above your dining table just goes out of fashion. We'll show you how to remove it from the ceiling and how to install your new stylish light, breathing new life into your dining room. For this project, you will need a new light kit, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a stepladder, and an assistant. Many hanging lights have adjustable heights. Use your current light as a guide for how high or low you want your new light to hang. The first step is to assemble the fixture body, extension tubes, and canopy. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's assembly instructions. Next, we will disassemble the old light. But before this step, make sure to locate the correct circuit breaker and turn off power to the light. Test the light switch to confirm that the power is off. Unscrew the canopy from the mounting plate. Disconnect the light's wires from the wires protruding from the junction box by unscrewing the wire nuts. While holding onto the light, remove it from the mounting plate. You can then remove the mounting plate from the junction box by removing the mounting screws. Install the new mounting plate from your new light kit. Double-check each screw as you tighten to make sure the mounting plate stays flush against the junction box. The next step is easiest with the help of an assistant to hold the light fixture. Connect the white or ribbed wire from your fixture to the white wire coming from the junction box. Twist the wires together clockwise and then screw on the wire nut. Next, connect the black or smooth wire to the black wire from the junction box. Again, twist these wires together and screw on the wire nut. Push all of these connected wires into the junction box. Take the bare copper or ground wire from the light fixture, wrap it once around the green ground screw on the mounting plate, and tighten it down with a flathead screwdriver. Then twist together the ground wire from the fixture and the ground wire from the junction box in a clockwise direction. Cap this off with another wire nut. Push these wires into the junction box as well. Now you can mount your light fixture to the mounting plate. Attach the final pieces of your light fixture. This is usually shades or other glass pieces. Install light bulbs, turn the circuit breaker back on, and then test to make sure everything is in working order.